Hi there, and welcome to the Analyst Training Course. We're so glad you decided to join us. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the course and tell you a little bit more about what you're going to learn. But first, why should you become a data analyst? Well, according to a recent survey published by the well-respected consulting and advisory firm Deloitte, there are 3 solid reasons why. The first is that data matters. 96% of the survey respondents stated that data and data analysis is becoming more and more important to their businesses. That's almost 100%. That's massive. Second, it's valuable. Over 49% of those same survey respondents said that data analysis is a key factor in decision making in their businesses. And lastly, on a more personal level, it's worth it. The average salary for an analyst, according to Glassdoor, is a little bit over $66,000 per year. I think the famed management consultant Peter Drucker said it best by stating that what gets measured gets managed. So data analysis is effectively at the core of management, and it has the ability to help solve some of the more complex challenges facing businesses today. So who is this course for? Well, it's for those who want to learn a new skill. And it's for those who are intellectually curious, who want to dig a bit deeper. And it's also for achievers, for those who desire more from their careers. And lastly, it's for leaders, those who want to get to the next level. So what will you learn in this course? Well, you'll learn what an analyst is and what they do. You'll also learn how to think like an analyst. You'll learn how to use analytical tools like Microsoft Excel, among others. You'll also learn how to analyze data, as well as to visualize and present it in a well-designed and organized way. And lastly, you'll use all of the analytical knowledge you've gained throughout the course to develop actionable insights for your employer or your business. The Analyst Training Course is structured in modules, as represented here in pyramid form. With each module, the course becomes more specific and advanced. From the foundation module, we move up the pyramid to tools, equipping, and then finally, application. So what do you need in order to take this course? Well, first, you need an open mind. You'll be learning a lot, and you need to be focused and attentive throughout the course curriculum. Second, a desire to learn. Knowledge can only be achieved through hard work, and this course is designed to help you develop a strong analytical knowledge base. And third, on a more logistical side, you need a working computer and a recent copy of Microsoft Excel. The goal of this course is to build your business data analytical skills from the ground up. So let's get started.